The Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe v. Wade has definitely put the court in question more than it has been in a long time about whether it is engaging in politics in some of these big blockbuster cases or whether it's just extricating itself from these big political questions. The court is the one branch of the government, of the federal government, that's supposed to be immune to political pressure and politics. Liberals see politics in this decision. They see a court where Republican-appointed justices are sort of banding together against Democratic-appointed justices. Conservatives say the exact opposite. Conservatives say that, look, this is a political issue, and it's a very difficult personal debate, and the court should remove itself from that debate. From the conservative perspective, it's Roe that brought politics to the court in the first place. The collection of these cases this term, we have a lot of 6-3 cases. So when Roe was decided, the split in the vote wasn't always based on the president of the party who nominated the justice. And in this case, you have a series of cases coming out on guns, on religious liberty, and on abortion, where the votes are divided pretty much right along the same lines as the president that nominated the justice. You had a president in Donald Trump who said outright that he was going to appoint justices that were going to overturn Roe and ran for election in 2016 on that point and then did it. And so I think, the court can talk about how it's not political and all of that, but I think it's very hard for Americans to buy that argument given some of this history that's gone on. What folks like me and legal experts are going to look at is whether this decision in the Roe case is a turning point for the court or whether it's just sort of a one-off because abortion is such a heated issue, such an important personal issue. Is this the conservative majority asserting itself, flexing its muscle in a way it hasn't done before? Or does the court return to a place where there are more opinions that are sort of split how they come down? One of the big cases coming down the pike that may offer some insight into that is affirmative action. It's been a target for conservatives for a long time, and I think how the court rules there may give us some sense of where it's going to head in the future.